Oh yeah, I'm catching bait, and looks like I got our first channel here. Check it out. On a worm. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Come on, big guy. Come on, big guy. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh. Check it out. Ah, first catfish, huh? Not bad, not bad. First catfish of the night. Try to get this guy unhooked here. Not too shabby. Alright. Alright, guys. First cat. Let's let him go. I already got, oh geez, I may have 5 bluegill so far. They're all hitting in this little cove right here. Starting to cool down just a hair. Everything's in the shade. There's a lot of rock and down trees kind of in this little cove. So pulled in here because of that, and I started catching some bluegill, which is perfect. The quicker I can catch those bad boys, the better. You know, we all know how fun it is trying to catch bait. So catching some bait here, hooked into a catfish. It's starting to pick up a little bit, getting busy in this cove. So I think I'm gonna catch 2 more bluegill here and go try to find a little quieter spot. See if I can hook into maybe some bigger channels or a couple flatheads would be sweet for tonight. But we'll see. Stay tuned. Alright folks, well, I guess my battery died and I've got a fish on. So I'm gonna finish reeling this bad boy in. He's not real big. Nice channel cat though. So we're gonna get him in here in the boat, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got here. Come here, big guy. Come on, big guy. Where are you? Where are you? Oh yeah. He's still got a lot of fight in him. Man, this is so much fun. I don't care how big they are. This is just too much fun. Woo! Woo! Yeah, buddy. Oh man. Love it. Love it. Yes. Yes. Man, you hear that drag he's pulling? I want to go out and get my bobber. Pulled my bobber off. Imagine that, right? Come on, big guy. Come on, big guy. Come on over here. 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 Come on. Come here. Almost got you. There we go, folks. Yeah, there we go. Not a bad channel cat there, huh? Not too shabby at all. Hell yeah. I will take that. Get this hook out of him here real quick. I don't like where he's hooked, but not much I can do about that. Come on, big guy. Yeah, I got him hooked deep. Got him hooked real deep. Alright. Not too shabby, huh? Not too bad of a cat. Nice little channel catfish. I'm gonna let him go here. There he goes. Alright. I don't care how big they are. That's too much fun. There I go get my darn bobber before it floats across the lake. And you come right back here and get set up again. Problem is I got this other line out. Alright. Let's pull anchor. Oh, we got another one. Oh, we got another one. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Ooh, this is a good one. This is on that live bluegill too. Oh yeah. Turn that bait clicker off. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah. Ha. Real, let's see here what this dude is. Alright, what are you? There we go. There we go. There we go. Looks like another channel cat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come here, big guy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, big guy. Got the death roll here. Come on. Come on, big guy. Oh, don't hook me. Come on. Come on. Oh, give me your mouth. There you go. There we go. Put my phone away. That get in bad, huh? Alright. Oh, he's in here. Alright. We got him in the boat. Alright, we good. That right there, so it's line here. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Get this guy unhooked too here. Got weights and all in the boat. Come on, baby. There we go. Him also hooked kind of deep, but using these big 9-aught hooks here. Yeah, there you go. All right, this dude right here. This dude just ate a freaking 6-7 inch bluegill. Look at all, I'm gonna show you guys, look at all the breeding scars on that dude. Now that's fun. Alright, that's fun. Let's let him go. He can continue eating and doing his thing. And that was perfect timing because I really need to go get my other bobber. Alright, y'all, this is fun. Get back here, get back at it. Alright. Alright, let's go get my bobber real quick. So I'm working with these new bobbers here. I made them with PVC pipe and pool noodle. And by the looks of it, I may need to glue the pull noodle onto my PVC pipe. See here, just pulled it right on through the caps there, so that's all right. At least it didn't go far. So let's pull on the back over here. Let's get anchored back up and toss these lines back in the water, because they're ready to eat. So let's catch as many fish as we can before we gotta go back home, huh? Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out while I've got a little bit of battery left here in that GoPro. But this is my second time actually getting this out on the water fishing, my whole fishing and filming setup. So overall what I changed was really I just put new fishing rod holders on here, and that made a world of difference. The pontoons are working. I adjusted those a little bit more, so those worked a lot better than they did last time. Also, what was new is I tried out these new bobbers, homemade bobbers that worked fantastic. I put those little glow sticks in them so I can see them right now, and it's pitch black. They worked great. So overall, definitely has some stuff to work on. Got some kinks to work out when it comes to both the fishing and filming setup. I'll look and see what my lighting actually looks like here, so hopefully you guys can see me plenty fine. But overall, it's a great day. Anytime you get to catch some fish, get on the water, it's a good day, that's for sure. So we're gonna have a lot more fishing videos coming up, especially leading into deer season. We are 2 months out from our very first trip, which is gonna be Kentucky's archery opener. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. We're pretty pumped about that. So stay tuned, keep liking and subscribing. We appreciate all of your support. I'll see you on the next video.